Experiencing an eSIM stuck on activating with Mint Mobile? You're not alone. This happens due to software conflicts, especially after iOS or Android updates, weak network signal, or glitches in the Mint Mobile app. The primary solution is a network reset followed by an eSIM re-download. This clears old network data and allows for a fresh profile installation. According to Mint Mobile data from Q2 2025, eSIM-related support tickets have risen, with the reset and re-download method resolving 80% of cases. Mint has partnered with T-Mobile to improve activation times, but this simple fix still works. To reset network settings on an iPhone, go to Settings, then General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. On Android, navigate to Settings, System Reset Options, and choose Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. After the reset, reopen the Mint Mobile app, log in, and select Download eSIM. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. If it still doesn't work, restart your phone or toggle airplane mode on and off. For persistent issues, contact Mint Mobile support for a manual activation code. This method aligns with industry eSIM standards and is non-destructive.